Hi again, and this is the second part of the listening part, test number one. The questions between 1 and 10. So this is going to be again read the instructions, no more than two words or a number. So you can write one word, you can write two words, and you can write one word and a number, or you can write two words or and a number. And then this is the talks, yep. So this is going to be the talks that they are going to discuss, yep. And this is designed courses for patients at Shoreline Health Center. So the subject of the talk, what are they going to discuss about? So this is going to they are going to discuss about giving up smoking, how to give up smoking, and the date, time. So this is going to be held on 25th of February at 7 p.m. And then you see, then location, and this is the place that you need to keep in mind. So where they are going to, where is this event going to take place? Notes, and this is useful for people with asthma or problems. So this is going to be a type of problem which is related with a type of illness which is related to the body part, okay, and a type of illness. So before you starting this class, we have sent you the nouns and the most frequent nouns which can be used to describe, for example, date, months of year, hobbies, subjects, places, locations. I will highly recommend you to learn these words because for the first 10 questions, they usually are the usual answers these words. So it's better to memorize and practice and learn these words. So let's start and let's move to the next question. This is healthy eating. Date is 1st of March at 5 p.m. and this is location. Again, this is the noun which describes the noun. Notes, everyone can come to this talk. And the subject of talk number three, avoiding injuries during exercise. So how to avoid, how to prevent some types of injuries, yep, that they usually get when they are doing sport or then when they are doing exercise. 9th of March at time, and this is going to be a time. Again, they will try to confuse you, but you mustn't fall in trap. Trap это ловушка, не попасть в ловушку. Place is room number 6 for all. Again, this is useful for people and for anyone. It's also a type of noun or a type of noun because after all we use noun. It should be in plural or uncountable. Plural, множественное число должно быть о, неисчисляемое all. But this is for people. Again, this is going to be in the plural form. Now let's try to listen it.
Interested to know, the centre is running a pilot scheme of talks for patients.
Talks?
I've got the list here. Actually, they look very interesting.
What sort of things?
Well, the first one's about giving up smoking.
Giving up smoking, and try to listen carefully. You mustn't have a look at the question number 7 and wait there until they will tell you about useful things for people. No, you should listen to question 25. You should also listen to the location as well.
It's next week, the 25th of February at 7 p.m, and that's in room 4.
Room 4.
It says the talk will stress the health benefits, particularly for people with asthma or heart disease.
That sounds...
Oh, particularly, it means especially, particularly for asthma or heart disease. So disease, it means illness. It means problem. So we have the disease. So we can't say heart disease problems because if you say heart disease problems, it doesn't make a sense. You can't say it. You can say only disease problems or you can say heart problems. We can't say disease problems because disease is a negative word, problem is a negative word. So the correct answer is heart problems. So it's very good for people, very good talk for people who are suffering from heart diseases. Okay? You should be very careful, and this is a trap. Это ловушка считается. И даже у кого-то есть уровень advanced, up intermediate, они могут делать это ошибку, да, в этом вопросе. Но вы не будете делать, окей. Now let's start.
Very interesting.
Let's move.
There's also a talk for families with children. It's on healthy eating.
Healthy eating,
and takes
listen
place
carefully.
on the 1st of March at 5
5 p.m.
o'clock.
Okay, location.
Will that be at the health center?
Will that be in the health center? Listen carefully. Will that be in the health center? Listen carefully to her. Positive or negative?
Actually, it's at the
No. If it's a pause long, it's a no negative actually.
primary school on Shore Lane.
Primary school. So the correct answer is this is a place and this is a school, and you should write a primary school. Not only the word school, you should write primary school, because school and primary are different words. We have different types of school. Elementary school, primary school, high school. So the correct answer is primary school.
I imagine they're inviting the parents of pupils there. It says here, all welcome.
All welcome. Everyone
I
comes
might
in.
go to that if I have time.
There's a couple of other talks. One giving advice about how to avoid injuries while doing exercise. It's on the 9th of March.
9th of March. And remember, concentrate, listen carefully.
March. Oh, it's a late afternoon.
Late afternoon. Listen carefully, late afternoon. So we have afternoon. We have 1 o'clock, we have 2 o'clock, but they are not late afternoon times. They are 1, 2 o'clock, it means early afternoon. So it might be afternoon, it's time between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Late, it means probably after 4 o'clock.
Talk at 4:30.
4:30. So when you write 4:30, you should write 4, so just a second, 4, and then you should put a full stop or dot, okay? Point, you say point, 4:30. I think you got it, point. We usually use, colons, 2 points there, but in English we only say there dot, yeah, or point, 4.30, we use point, not colons.
And it'll be in room 6.
6, and now the final question is?
It also says the talk is suitable for all ages.
I see, for all ages. Ages, singular this word for all people.
And finally, there's a talk called stress management, which is on...
Okay, that's it. Now, that's it for today, and I'm very thankful for you that you are watching me and you are watching these lessons, because these lessons will help you to boost your score